Today, we're going to cover the 5 simple steps to set up your file for foil stamp printing. Hi, my name is Bill Corcoran Jr. and I'm the 4th generation here at Corcoran Printing. We've been in business for over 75 years. First, use industry standard applications for design, like Adobe Illustrator, Quark, or Photoshop to create vector-based artwork. Second, foil elements should be a separate layer and identified as a spot color titled foil. Step 3, include a composite PDF. A composite PDF is all elements of the project, including each layer. Fourth, foil always overprints ink. Finally, you're going to want to supply us with a high-resolution PDF with crop marks and 1/8 inch bleed. Next, we're going to tell you about the do's and don'ts of foil stamp printing. Now, there are a few things you should avoid. Don't use programs like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Publisher. Don't use JPEGs, GIFs, bitmap, or raster images. And finally, don't simulate the reflective effect of the foil in your file. Now here's a few things you do want to keep in mind. Do use vector-based artwork. Do use artwork that has at least 300 dpi. Do include a separate layer or PDF to indicate the foil area. Do include a composite PDF. And finally, convert all type and fonts to outlines. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this information useful. If you'd like us to review your artwork, send me your files. We'd be happy to take a look.